In this video, let's see another IIT JEE numerical problem which was asked in the year 1983 for 2 marks. The topic on which it was based was of determinants, which we are actually seeing in the previous videos and will be seeing in the successive videos too. The question is given that x is equal to minus 9 is the root of means is the solution of, or actually I would be saying that x value is minus 9 satisfies this determinants equation which will be formed. Determinant is equal to 0, the other two roots are what? That is what we need to solve. So actually if you see that I have x3 7, I have 2x2, I have 7 6x. Can we solve it using some properties? Let's actually see, it is x 2 and 7. Here also it is x 2 and 7, but the order is changed. Okay. If you actually apply this operation in R1, that you add all the 3 rows, does it help us? Let's see. Adding the 3 rows, you have x plus 2 plus 7 is x plus 9. Here also you have 3 plus x plus 6 is x plus 9. Here also 7 plus 2 plus x is x plus 9, right? So x plus 9 can be taken out as common. So we are going to do that. You are going to apply this thing and I write the heading as a solution. Now what happens? Things change. It is x plus 9, it is x plus 9, it is x plus 9 everywhere. Then is 2x2, 7, 6x. Okay, good. Now what happens? It was already equal to 0, you need not change anything. X plus 9, take it out as common, x plus 9 outside, inside is 1, 1, 1, 2x2, 7, 6x, and outside equal to 0 does not change. Now this gives me x plus 9 is equal to 0, that means x is equal to 9, that is given to us, x is equal to 9 is already given. The other two roots you need to find out, that will be obtained from this determinant. Now to solve the determinant, we know to make maximum zeros, that is our task. 1, 1, 1 are here, you have to make zeros. What if I actually subtract something called as C2 minus C1? I apply in C2, C2 minus C1. Similarly, in C3 also if C3 minus C1 is applied, I will be getting maximum zeros. How? Let's see here. Things will change. First column does not change, 1 to 7 remains as it is. Then we have what? Then we have C2 minus C1. So it is 1 minus 1, 0, x minus 2, so 0, x minus 2. Next is what? 6 minus 7 is minus 1, right? Next, 1 minus 1, 0, then 2 minus x, so 0, 2 minus x. Next what? Next is x minus 6 equal to 0. Then you have 2 zeros, okay, good for us. Let's start with this one. We started with this one. Ignored the column, ignored the row, we are left with x minus 2, 2 minus x minus 1, x minus 6 is equal to 0. Then what has to be done? You have to just cross multiply. You cross multiplied, you got x minus 2, x minus 6. Then you are going from bottom to up, minus minus becoming plus, 2 minus x is equal to 0. 2 minus x here, x minus 2 here. Take something common, say it is 2 minus x. Inside you have 6 minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Things becoming clear what I did? 2 minus x minus 2 is there, take any one of it common, the other becomes minus sign. So either it is what? Either it is x is equal to 2 or the other solution is what it is obtained from here. So it is minus x plus 7 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 7. I write it here, minus x plus 7 is equal to 0, that means x is equal to 7. So the two roots are what? They are 2 and 7.